Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. It's already time to do another PNG insert preview for the November PNG. Everybody always asks me where I get my inserts at. I get my inserts from bqsavings.com. I am not sponsored. I don't have a promo code or anything, but if you want to get your inserts from them, you do get them early most of the time. They have a subscription service where you sign up on Wednesday. I think they deduct the money from my account, and normally I have my inserts by Friday. They offer a weekly subscription for your inserts, and then the PNG subscription is separate. But with the PNG insert subscription, I get my PNG inserts a week or a week and a half early. Now, if you don't want the whole inserts, because trust me, it can be wasting money because there's tons of coupons in there I never even use, you can get individual coupons. They come in sets of 10 from extremecouponclippings.com. They're super quick also at getting your coupons to you, and I really recommend them. Okay, let's get started checking out this November PNG. I love how the cover has a pumpkin on it, but then it also has Anna and Elsa from Frozen, which makes me think of Christmas. Because holy guacamole, Christmas is so close. But let's do it with one holiday at a time. So when you open it up, first we have this little advertisement page. It has some tricky tips so you can make decorations. Looks like there's some tissue ghost over there. Look at this little bat. How cute is that, made out of a toilet paper roll? Okay, I know y'all are here for the coupons. Let's do it. So first we have $1 off one Crest toothpaste or liquid gel, 3 ounce or more. Expires on the 7th. I really wish they would just make all these expire towards the end of the month so the PNG coupons lasted all month. Then we have $1 off one Crest or Oral-B mouthwash. We use these at CVS. You're definitely going to need toothpaste and stuff after eating all that candy. Then we have $1 off one Oral-B adult manual toothbrush, 1 count or multi-pack. Then we have a $2.50 off one Fixodent adhesive twin or triple pack. $5 off one Oral-B Vitality or Pro Series 500 or greater rechargeable electronic toothbrush. $10 off 2 Oral-B replacement brush heads, 3 count or greater. $2 off one Oral-B adult battery toothbrush. I love when CVS has these for like $5.99 or $6.99 and you get back a $5 extra care buck when you buy 2 of them. Makes for a good deal when you have these coupons. Okay, that's it for the toothbrushes. Now on to the NyQuil. We have $1 off 1 Vicks DayQuil, NyQuil or Formula 44. They have that honey flavored one. There's $3 off 2 Vicks DayQuil, NyQuil or Formula 44. $2 off 1 Vicks flu therapy product. Remember, cold and flu season is upon us. $2 off 1 Vicks children's product. $1.50 off 1 Vicks Vapo Cool Drops spray or lozenge product. $1 off 1 Vapo Rub, Baby Rub, Vapo Cream or Vapo Inhaler product. $1 off 1 Vicks Vapo Shower or Vapo Bath product. Then we have $1 off 1 Vicks Immunity Z's product. Now for the next page, we're still on the cold and flu. Buy 1 Vicks DayQuil or NyQuil honey product, get 1 Vapo Cool Honey Drops for free. So it's a buy one get one, but not of the same product. $1 off 1 Sinex product. $1.50 off 1 ZzzQuil or Pure Z's product. We got the old Pepto-Bismol, 50 cents off 1. We have $2 off 1 Align Probiotic Supplement. $1 off 1 Prilosec OTC product. $1 off 1 Metamucil Fiber Supplement. And then the Always Discreet, $2 off 1 Always Discreet. Then we have the typical $1 off 1 Always Radiant Infinity Pure Cotton Ultra or Maxi Pads, 10 count or higher. Then of course we have the $1 off 1 Tampax Pearl, Pocket Radiant, or Pure tampons. Those are pretty much in every P&G insert. $1 off one Olay bar 4 count or larger. Also includes body wash, rinse off body conditioner or hand and body lotion. $1 off one Safeguard liquid hand soap. $2 off one Old Spice dry spray or body spray. $1 off 2 Old Spice antiperspirant deodorant, body wash, or bar soap. And then we have $2 off one Head & Shoulder men's styling products. The $3 off 2 Head & Shoulder products that we get every insert. If I can ever turn the page here. Here is our centerfold. Okay, look at this. This does not have staples in it this month. I'm super excited about that. Every month it comes stapled and I hate that. So that's one bonus here. $4 off one Olay Regenerist Facial Moisturizer. $3 off one Olay Eyes or Serum. $2 off one Olay Total Effects Facial Moisturizer. $1 off one Olay Skincare product. And again, there's no staples. I love it. Then we have our $3 off 2 Herbal Essence BioRenew shampoo, conditioner, or styling products. Then, of course, we're going to have our Pantene over here. Our $5 off 3 Pantene products, including Gold Series. It excludes all the rescue shots and all of that. Kind of a waste, only 2 coupons on that page. Here's our Febreze, buy one, get one free. Buy one Febreze or Febreze Light product, get one Febreze or Febreze Light product free. Excludes the small spaces. It's up to a $3 value. $2 off one Bissell with Febreze formula for your carpet cleaner or crosswave machine. Get up that pet urine smell. My camera is super fuzzy here. Remember, Tide coupons are regional, but here we go. $3 off one Tide Pods laundry detergent, 32 count or larger. $2 off one Tide Pods laundry detergent, 31 count or smaller. $3 off one Tide laundry detergent, 92 ounce or larger, or Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy. $2 off one Tide laundry detergent, 75 ounce or smaller, or the Studio by Tide, 40 ounce. Then we have $3 off one Downy Defy Damage Beads or In-Wash Scent Boosters. It includes the Downy Unstoppables. $2 off one Downy Fabric Conditioner, 90 to 174 load. It also has the bounce sheets, the wrinkle guard. This one is $1 off Downy Liquid Fabric Conditioner, 60 load. $3 off one Dreft Newborn Laundry Detergent, 50 ounce or larger. $2 off one Dreft Newborn Laundry Detergent, 40 ounce, or Dreft Active Baby Laundry Detergent, 40 ounce. Why is my camera keep doing that? Here we got our paper products. We have the 25 cents off one Bounty paper towel, 25 cents off one Charmin toilet paper product, 25 cents off one Bounty napkin product, and 50 cents off one Puffs facial tissue, 3-pack or larger. I really wish P&G would up the value of the toilet paper coupons. Here we have $1 off 2 Secret Outlast, Secret Fresh, $2 off one Stress Balls product. Still haven't tried them, but one day I will, I promise. Here's our typical razor coupons. $2 off one Venus razor, excludes the disposable. $3 off one Venus or Daisy disposable, 2 count or larger. $2 off one Gillette razor, excludes disposables, Venus products, or travel and trial. $3 off one Gillette disposable, 2 count or larger. And our baby stuff, $1.50 off one Pampers diaper or Easy Up training underwear. Includes mega, jumbo, super giant, enormous packs. 50 cents off 2 Pampers wipes, 56 count or higher. $1 off 1 Love's diaper. Not bad. It could be better, but it's not bad. And then we have more advertisement. No coupons. I feel like we're wasting paper there. Here we have the pggoodeveryday.com. If you're not signed up for that, you should totally sign up for it. Then here is the date on this. It shows a date of, if my camera will focus today, the 27th. So I believe it comes out in the newspaper on the 25th, but the date on it is actually the 27th. Up to $89 inside in savings. And that's it. There is your November PNG insert preview. What did we notice? PNG's kind of stingy on the buy one get ones this month. We also notice we keep getting the same exact coupons every single month, over and over. Sometimes they'll throw in a different one to surprise us, but kind of seem like they're all basically staying the same lately. So I don't know if y'all like to see these PNG insert previews or not, but because I get them early, I figure I'll let you go ahead and peek at the inserts. If you like them, let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit that little bell, turn your notifications off so you get a notification anytime I post a video. If you don't mind, give this video a big thumbs up. Really helps push my channel out there for other people to see it. And I will be back tomorrow with a Dollar General 5 off 25 scenario video, so be sure to check back tomorrow because we have some really good scenarios coming out tomorrow. As always, I want to thank you all for taking the time to come and watch my videos. I truly appreciate everyone's support. I guess I'll let you go for now. I'll see you tomorrow. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.